Generalizations, patterns, and functions. I am Marilyn Hurtado.
Gabriela Díaz, Claudia Díaz, Beatriz Peña,
And Marta Chavez. So first, generalization for arithmetic and for patterns. Generalization with addition. John's children explore addition, families, and in the process learn how to decompose and recompose numbers. So here's an example of a drawing that using for young children, and in the other is generalizing does not need to involve symbols, but it is an important inclusion for older students. So this can you use for older students as an 8th grade, and the first one is an example for young children. And generalization in the hundreds charts. This is the hundreds charts allows students to explore the number and see what and connect the relationship with see the table. It allows for stand-up number concept of algebraic thinking concepts. For example, here it's counting by 3. The yellow marks is correspond to each number that it's counting by 3, and in this one is counting by 6s. So each 6, the students can color and see what is the pattern in a chart. Generalization through exploring a pattern. This is the most valuable method of searching for generalization that allows students to see in a growing physical pattern. This is an example. How many different ways can you find to count the border? This is the border tiles of an 8 times 8 pool without counting them one at a time. So this is many examples of how can students solve this problem. For example, 10 plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 36. And another way is 2 times 10 plus 2 times 8 equals to 36. So there are many different ways that the students can use to find the same answer. And in this one, another approach is to have students build a series of bullet steps. For example, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5. And this is an example of algebraic problem for older